What's going on? You know what? And the bear wakes up. The bear gnarls. He snarls. The bear roars and he rumbles. The bear jumps and he stomps. The bear jumps and he stomps. Then the bear growls some more and he grumbles some more. I think he's hungry. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping in. I had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Very unbear-like. And the bear blubbers on. That's the sequel. That's the next book. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, look, look. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Have chocolate and marshmallows. Bear gulps, the bear grumbles. He sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. You snore? I don't think you snore. I snore. And Poppy snores on. The end. You like that book? I love that book. The bear snores on. Yeah. I know. Pretty soon you'll be